Listen carefully. Guess what I say, and when the sentence appears, repeat after me. Let's begin.
Welcome to English Listening Lab, your channel to test, practice, and improve your listening skill.
Listen carefully and guess what I say. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower before breakfast. I take a shower before breakfast. I take a shower before breakfast. I usually eat bread and drink coffee for breakfast. I usually eat bread and drink coffee for breakfast. I usually eat bread and drink coffee for breakfast. I leave my house at 7:30. I leave my house at 7:30. I leave my house at 7:30. I go to work by motorcycle. I go to work by motorcycle. I go to work by motorcycle. I start working at 8 o'clock. I start working at 8 o'clock. I start working at 8 o'clock. I check my emails in the morning. I check my emails in the morning. I check my emails in the morning. I have a short break at 10 o'clock. I have a short break at 10 o'clock. I have a short break at 10 o'clock. I eat lunch at noon with my friends. I eat lunch at noon with my friends. I eat lunch at noon with my friends. After lunch, I continue my work. After lunch, I continue my work. After lunch, I continue my work. I sometimes feel tired in the afternoon. I sometimes feel tired in the afternoon. I sometimes feel tired in the afternoon. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I go home and take a short rest. I go home and take a short rest. I go home and take a short rest. In the evening, I spend time with my family. In the evening, I spend time with my family. In the evening, I spend time with my family. I help my wife prepare dinner. I help my wife prepare dinner. I help my wife prepare dinner. We eat dinner together at 7. We eat dinner together at 7. We eat dinner together at 7. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. Sometimes I practice English for 30 minutes. Sometimes I practice English for 30 minutes. Sometimes I practice English for 30 minutes. I also check my social media before bed. I also check my social media before bed. I also check my social media before bed. I prepare my clothes for the next day. I prepare my clothes for the next day. I prepare my clothes for the next day. I set my alarm for the morning. I set my alarm for the morning. I set my alarm for the morning. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I usually sleep for 7 or 8 hours. I usually sleep for 7 or 8 hours. I usually sleep for 7 or 8 hours. This is how I spend my typical day. This is how I spend my typical day. This is how I spend my typical day. Great job! If you like video like this, subscribe for more English listening stories and comment, "I can do it." See you in the next lesson!